Hello friends, I will talk about today prompt engineering. In this tutorial, I will show you what exactly the prompt is. There are different types of prompts and I will go through each types of prompt and I will show you some examples. In the end, I will also show you some prompting tips. Let's dive into tutorial. Welcome to our video on prompt engineering. Today we will explore the fascinating world of designing prompts to optimize the outputs from AI language models like ChatGPT. First, let's understand the basics. So, what exactly a prompt? So, simply, a prompt is the input that you provide to AI model to generate the response, and it is the starting point of your interaction with the AI. So, these are some example here, and I will show you all this type with the small prompt examples. Zero shot prompting involves directly asking the AI without providing any example. So, for instance, you can ask, summarize the book 1984 by George Orwell. So, here you are not giving any kind of extra inputs. Few shot prompting, on the other hand, includes example in your prompt to guide the AI. For example, you can provide a few French translations and then ask the AI to translate good night into French. Declarative prompts are another type of the prompt, and here you provide a statement for fact and the AI responds based on the information. For example, you can state the earth revolves around the sun and AI will use this context to generate a response. Step-by-step instructions guide the AI through a process. For example, you ask the AI to solve a math problems by step. So like solve this problem step by step, 5x plus 3 is equal to 18. And this is another example. You can ask, let's solve this math problem step by step. What is the 25 times 4? And ChatGPT will break down this prompt and it will calculate all the steps. So next, contextual prompts. It provides background information before asking the AI to respond. For instance, you can say, given the context that John is allergic to peanuts, what food should he avoid? Let's talk about the summary of all types. First is the zero shot, where we do not give any examples in the prompt. In one shot, we give exactly one example to the prompt, so ChatGPT can answer us according to that example. In the few shot, we give multiple examples. If you are a programmer, then you have to give 2 or 3 outputs so ChatGPT can produce the results as per our expectation. So next is the chain of thought. So it is the step-by-step reasoning, and ChatGPT thinks step by step about the responses. Next is the contextual. So context in the background info are provided in the prompt, so we get exactly the expected answer. So the last is the instruction based. So we explicitly instruct ChatGPT to produce the answers. Now let's talk about some key principles of prompt engineering. The first principle is the clarity. Always keep your prompts clear and concise. For example, instead of saying tell me something, you can say list 3 benefits of exercise. The next principle is specificity. Include details to guide the model. For instance, if you need a project timeline, provide specific details about the project, team, and deadlines to get a well-structured response. Here is the example of the prompt. Another important principle is the context. Provide necessary background information to help the AI generate accurate response. So, for example, you can say, as a history professor, explain the causes of World War II. For better results, use structured formats like bullet points or numbered list. This helps in clear and effective communication. For example, You can create a daily routine for success using bullet points or a numbered list. So here is the example of all these prompts. To further enhance your prompt engineering skills, explore tools and resources like the OpenAI documentation or prompt engineering guide or the ChatGPT playground. With these techniques, you can write a better prompts, and this is just the basic steps. You can start today and then you can learn with intermediate level and the basics levels of the prompt engineering.